Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Today we will know about 5 websites which will help you if you are wanted to develop your career as a software engineer or you want to become a programmer. Not only these websites are helpful for the programmers or coders, some websites also helpful for the other subjected students like business or marketing sector. The first and the foremost website is W3 School. W3 School is very good for beginners, intermediate or even for the advanced people who are learning programming. There is various topics on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Python, PHP, even in React, MySQL, jQuery. These all are absolutely free. You can learn anything from here and enrich your skills in the engineering field. Every programmer starts their beginning journey from this website. Even I also started my journey from this. You can see that they provided some good examples here, and there is also a code editor. Here you can write your own code and you can run your code and see the result here. So this is very much helpful for the students who can't install own code editor in their desktop. They can use this free online code editor. The next one is Codecademy. It is also very much popular website for practicing programming. In this website there are various topics, like you can see that there is various subjects in AI, cloud computing, cyber security. These even for the DevOps, these subjects actually advanced subjects, and these subjects gonna provide you professional certificates, and these languages are very much popular now, and if you learn and want to advance your technical skills, this website is also very much helpful for you. You can see that there is various resources here, and you can see that topic wise there is various sections. You can learn one by one from it. The third website which I gonna discuss is Coursera. This is another very famous website for learning programming. This is absolutely free website for the students who are actually willing to learn programming. This website is not only helpful for the programmers but also helpful for the other subjected students, because there are various topics on the courses. Like you can see that there is 1095 courses in business, 401 courses in social science, and there is 137 courses in personal development. So other subjected students can also use this website for their own betterment and growth. The fourth and very famous popular website is Free Code Camp. This is also very helpful for the programmers. There is various types of certifications given here. In the individual section you can take certificates, like you can see that there is free verified certifications in every specific field of IT, that is responsive web design certification, that could be front-end development, data visualization, back-end development, even in quality assurance certifications. If we go to a section, we can see that there is the topics of each subjects or fields, and if we go to the specific topic, you can see that there is some examples and you can do your own code, and they also provide code editor. And this website is also very much helpful for the beginners. The fifth and the last website, and the very popular website, is Udemy. This website is not only helpful for the programmers are also very much helpful for other subjected students. There may be various free courses, but there is various paid courses. You can see that there is a complete web development bootcamp course which is a bestseller. You can see that there is a lot of various bestsellers courses which are actually very much helpful for the students, and they will provide certificates also. As I said that this website is not only helpful for the programmers or coders, this website is also very much helpful for the students who are learning, who are studying in marketing or in business or in photography or in music. This is all the website from which you can develop or you can start to build your own career, whether it is in tech site or whether it is another site. These all 5 websites will give you free certifications. For some subjects it will may provide paid certificates, but most of them are free, so it is helpful for the freshers which are gonna give interviews in a company, and that time these certificates will make the resume very very strong. That's all for today. Hope this video will find you very helpful, and if you like this video, please do comment, share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.